Are you dreading tax season again? You might be, especially if you're still manually sorting bank statements and guessing at tax deductions. Think about how many hours you are wasting and how much money you might be leaving on the table. Hi, my name's Katie Martinez, and I created the Tax Deduction Scanner 2025 kit for one reason. I was done doing tax prep the hard way. I tried to stay ahead. I looked for a tool that could automatically pull transactions from my bank and credit card statements into a spreadsheet. I even tested some fancy AI tools. But what I got was messy, unreliable data that I still had to fix by hand. Nothing actually saved me time. And that's when I asked myself, why am I doing all this busy work? It wasn't just tedious, it was taking me away from the work that actually grows my business. So I mapped out exactly what I needed this tool to do, and I partnered with an experienced developer to bring it to life. The result? A system that finally works for real business owners like us. Here's what it does. The Tax Deduction Scanner 2025 kit turns messy bank and credit card statements into clean, categorized, tax-ready reports automatically. No more digging through a year's worth of statements. No more highlighting expenses and hoping you caught everything. No more spreadsheets that make you want to scream. Just upload your PDFs and let the tool do the heavy lifting. Here's how it works. Step 1, upload your PDF, bank, or credit card statements. It handles most standard PDF statements from your bank or credit card companies. No formatting, spreadsheet skills, or cleanup required. Step 2, let the technology extract and itemize your transactions. No more fixing weird dates or deleting blank rows. It knows you're working with numbers and it treats them like numbers. Step 3, the system automatically suggests Schedule C categories. You can accept the suggestions or adjust them. You stay in control. Step 4, download your categorized transactions as a CSV file for your tax preparer. You can also print a clean summary report with totals by category ready to hand off. And here's the bonus. You also get guided worksheets to help you gather the rest of what your tax pro needs, like income, cost of goods sold, and business details that are easy to forget. Now, this kit won't replace your CPA or tax pro, but it will help you show up organized so that they're not spending hours cleaning up your data before they can even start your return. That's time saved, and that means that's money saved. And it makes the whole tax season a whole lot less stressful. This tool is perfect for you if your 2025 financial records are scattered, you're staring down hours of manual data entry, and you want to be ready for tax season without getting a bookkeeping degree. Consider this. The kit could pay for itself in saved cleanup fees alone, not to mention your time, energy, and sanity. Imagine showing up to your tax appointment with everything clean, categorized, ready to go. Your tax pro will thank you. Maybe really thank you. And if you've ever said, why am I still wasting time scrambling to organize my data? Well, then click below. I built this for you.